In this video, we are going to show you how to get v.io free credits. Now, if you are into AI and you want to dabble on v.io and try it out for free, it's very simple. All you need to do is go to Twitter and go to their Twitter account or X account at vstudio, and you're going to see posts like this so you can get free credits. As you can see, free 500 credits for every trial user. All you need to do is retweet this specific tweet of theirs. So retweet like this, right? There you go. Retweet like that. Got it. Next up is comment V, right? So let's comment V like so. There you go. And then DM them for access. Now, all you need to do is do this and wait for them to reply. As you can see here, they have been replying to other people. You should see a DM now. And once you get the code, you can just pretty much claim the offer and start using it for free. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.